Hey guys, this is Mr. K, and welcome to the third video of our digital art class where I'm going to show you guys how to do even more cool stuff with the Pixler. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually take pictures from the internet and play with them, okay? So there'll be lots of confusing stuff happening here, so please pay attention to what's going on. Once you get that, you're going to get in the habit of using that stuff. It's a really great tool, and you can have lots of fun with that, okay? So I assume that you guys already have your Pixler open. So let's get over there and let's get started. So go ahead, create a new image. Okay, hit OK, and I have my white canvas. Neat. Okay, let's leave it over here. Now, let's go and find an image that we want to work with. Yes, you can spend time drawing stuff, but let's just find something, let's copy it. Okay, so you guys can go to Google, okay, and you guys can go on Google and type in, I don't know, pancakes. You guys can hit images, and we have beautiful section of many different pancakes over here. But you know what? I don't feel like pancakes. I'm gonna go with some potatoes. Okay. So in here, you guys can see that I have many different potatoes over here I can work with. Nice. And I found the one I want to work with. Is this here. Okay, that's my picture. That's the one I want to work with. Okay, so something to pay attention to while you pick a picture that you guys want to work with. Okay, so on the bottom of a picture, it will say the size of a picture. This one is 1000 by 731 pixels. It's a pretty big picture. Okay, let's go look something else. You guys can see that this one is just 700 by 700. It's a little bit smaller. This one is quite big, 1200 by 800, big, 900, 900, and on and on. Oh, this one's pretty small, 500 by 500. Okay, but this is the one I want to work with. So check this out. So I want this picture. Okay, I'm gonna use my right mouse button, right, not left. Click it, and here you have many options. Okay, don't get confused. The thing you want to do is click Save Image As. Okay, you don't want to copy it, you want to save it. Okay, you'll have an option over here, and on the bottom it says big weird name. Let's change this to something simple. A awesome potato. Okay, and hit save. Okay, over here it shows you in the right corner that this is already downloaded. You have it. That's great. Okay, hit X over here, and let's go back to Pixler. Yeah, we're in Pixler back. Okay, so now check this out. There's nothing here yet, so follow my lead. If you want your picture, check this out. Go to File, Open Image. Okay, and over here you have many different things that I already have downloaded and work with. But here it says our file, an awesome potato. Click it and hit open. What? Our potato is here. That's pretty neat. Okay, we can work with this. It's gonna be great. But you know what? I want to put it somewhere else. So another thing is here, and pay attention because I want to move this somewhere else. You guys can see that this is separate from our actual canvas. So I want to use this and place it somewhere else, like a sticker. So what I'm going to do is this. In here you have a marquee tool, okay? This little square of a little, dotted line. Click it. Now, what I want to do, I want to select, like frame my potato. So basically I want to choose the area I want to copy. So with my left mouse button, I'm going to start here somewhere in the corner. I'm going to press and hold my mouse button. You guys can see that I'm creating this space over here. I'm selecting my potato. If you guys messed up and this is not the shape you guys want to, click anywhere else and try again. Perfect. Neat. Okay? So now, another thing that's, again, confusing. I like this. Let's copy it. Go to Edit, Copy. Okay? You see that says copied. Now let's go back to our actual canvas. This big white space over here. Now, let's click it. So we're now over here and hit Edit, Paste. Voila. My potato is here. It is good and ready to go. Okay? So now I have my potato. Awesome. So what can I do with potato? Let's change the size of this. So what I'm going to do with the same marquee tool, okay, I will select my potato, okay, and now with my right mouse button, I'll do this, okay, and you have another line of options. It says over here, free transform. This is the option you guys are going to be using quite a lot, okay? So click this. And then all of a sudden, you guys can see that the potato is surrounded by many different squares. Check this out. So I want to change the size of my potato. I can grab any one of those and check this out. I'll press and hold with my left mouse button, and you guys can see how the potato is changing shape. I can make it bigger, smaller, thinner, wider. Okay, do all the crazy stuff. Okay, I can also flip it. So if I drag it, whoop, it's flipped upside down. I can do it so it's mirrored. What? Great stuff. Okay, so I can change the size of this. Also, if you notice, my icon changes, telling me what can I do. If I move it away, it turns in a little circle. If it changes like this, and then I press and hold my left button, I can rotate my potato. What? Isn't that great? Cool. So that's this video, okay? So after seeing this video, I showed you guys how to find a picture you guys want. I showed you guys how to place it on the image you guys want, okay? And how to resize it. Your job now, find a picture you like, something different, copy it, put it over on your canvas, and change the size of it, okay? And I'll see you in the next video to show you guys even more cool stuff with the Pixler. Bye-bye.